Hi people, today I am talking about a free open source digital painting application which is called MyPaint. I even installed some interesting brushes for you to show possibilities of program, but today I want to focus on one important setting. I will check particular word because I speak Polish, but I have to double check one English word. Particulars, one of the particular settings. Okay, I have one word which is suitable, one particular setting I want to mention. Okay, I can erase. I can show you from the beginning. You also have shortcuts, but this will be for different topic. Okay. If you paint, sometimes you feel like brush continues to paint even if you don't hold by left mouse button. If this happens, you would pay attention on one of the settings. If you click by right mouse button adding brush settings, you had better copy to new. This option will copy your brush so you can save your preset. Export as zip brush set. Your custom brushes. And there is one setting which you have to pay attention on. Opacity, linear, how do you pronounce linearize? I just have to check.
Linearize.
Linearize this option. Basically linearize.
Linearize.
Sorry for my English, I just wanted to check. If you increase that option, sometimes you will have problem with the brush. Some brushes don't like that option. Check this. I believe this option you should not turn on. I mean, basically, there was one option that you shouldn't turn on. Let's check a different brush because I had a problem with brush from the library Devag. Edit brush settings, copy to new. I believe that brush you have to pay attention on when you use it. Nothing happens wrong, but I had the issue with the brush opacity multiply. I couldn't use, when I tried to draw, it was leaving marks on my canvas. Oh, I can see that. I have that issue. Opacity multiply. You can see line. You don't hold it by left mouse button. Oh, this is what I was talking to people about. When you increase value opacity multiply, I don't hold my left mouse button, but brush leaves the mark on a canvas. You had better to turn this feature off because opacity multiply causes that problem. That one seems to be okay. Nothing happens around. What we got? We have geek there. Very interesting option. Save. Hardness. I could increase little bit. Gabs. You sometimes have to be careful how you increase settings here. Because this can significantly This can slow down your brush considerably.
Considerably.
Okay, I was right with this word.
Considerably.
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 Okay, and if you don't pay attention on how you use your brush, because if you increase too high, the brush will get too slow. I will check because I have strong PC, maybe it will not be too bad. Oh, this is much slower, but not too bad. I will leave a setting up to 32. I don't need that high. Oh, it is a little bit too slow. And now I will show you from Canada, the library, but main topic was about this. You should better to avoid increasing opacity multiply. And the main tutorial will be how to avoid how to change brush settings. Brush settings editor opacity multiply, something like that. And I hope you like my video tutorial. I use Kanga, the library. You can always install the library brushes. Very good program, people. This is Tone, actually, this is the library Tone. This library contains a lot different brushes. I think that library is the best so far. Oh, we have version. We have default library as well. Check which one you have. Oh, this is very good library. That is my favorite one. By default, MyPaint doesn't have this library, people. And hopefully this tutorial will be useful. You can always erase if you don't want to have, if you don't want to open new page. This is eraser option. And I hope you like my video tutorial. My paintbrush settings editor opacity multiply.